Hello everyone and welcome to our tutorial.
This time, we'll tell you all about the inverse function.
We'll also teach you how to solve these inverse functions.
So, what is inverse function? Inverse function is a function that reverses another function. If the function f applied to an input x gives a result of y, then applying its inverse function g to y gives a result of x, and vice versa.
To better understand inverse function, we will show you an illustration. The inverse is usually shown by putting a little negative 1 after the function name like this. F inverse of y, we say f inverse of y. So the inverse of f of x is equals to 2x plus 3 is written f inverse of y is equals to y negative 3 over 2.
Another example of this is if f is equals to the quantity of 0, negative 2, and 1 and 0, 2 and 9 can be f inverse equals to the quantity of negative 2 and 0, 0 and 1, 9 and 2.
Another example of this is f of x is equals to quantity 4 and 5, 6 and 3, 5 and 0. That can also be f inverse of x is equals to quantity of 5 and 4, 3 and 6, and 0 and 5.
Okay? Now, we will show you the properties of an inverse. There are 3 of them. The first one is that f inverse is one-to-one function. A one-to-one function is that every element of the range of the function corresponds to exactly one element of the domain.
Second property of the inverse is that the domain of f inverse the range of f.
Third and last property of an inverse is that the range of f equals domain of f inverse.
Now let's proceed to solving inverse functions.